You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
What are you gonna say?
Vertical TV, yeah? And this guy said that they're not gonna make it.
One of the best videos of all time. One of the best videos of all time.
Supposed to be. Oh baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Marcus, Els.
Let's bust it off. Here we go.
Let's go.
Vertical out on the road.
Vertical, man, it's vertical all day. Vertical. Do you know the MySpace? You guys messing about. We're going to die out here, man. Vertical! Alright, yeah. So now we've just walked along here.
youth a use a bun, cali weed in a Rizla, 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 Rizla.
I'm a woman with a fuck. Say again? I'm a woman with a fuck. Say again? I'm a woman with a
You're gonna die.
Okay, so we've got an interview with Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee, how you find the trip so far?
Man, it's good. I'm really proud of all the kids. Some of them are working harder than others, but you know, that's just the way it goes sometimes, you know?
That is very true, that is very true. So,
I like bird call, oh, bird call!
how you find the sleeping arrangements? You were having a nice night and sleeping well?
I must rather prefer my bed, but you know, I have to just deal with the environment and that, just get used to the camping spirit.
Yeah,
but
very true.
I love living my nice warm bed, you know what I mean? Can't wait to go home.
And how you finding Brighton? Do you feel at home here, or is it?
Oh yes, there's many people I like it. The people are very nice and friendly. So yeah, I like it a lot.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
from Mr. Coffee. You can see where we are. Beautiful countryside. Notice the not litter. Oh wait, hold on. Litter. That's your food, Elliot. And that's my snacks that are not litter. Litter. Where's the litter? Where's the litter? There is no litter. Here we go. No wait, I'm not done. Look at that. Oh. No. You got that on camera. Troy, what are your views on littering?
It is a disgrace.
That's what you got.
The thing about the countryside is you're not supposed to leave any evidence that you were there.
You got to preserve it.
Obviously.
I don't want to get the wrong impression. That's propaganda.
We're trying to hit the bottle right now. That's how I'm doing. So far, only samples. I hit it. You know I got that. What the fuck is it? You're gonna drop it. And it's gonna jump in the water. I don't want to live anymore. Right, so then it's gonna jump in that water. Shit, you're off fucking. You can't even save yourself if you jump in the water.
If you walk through the garden, you better watch your back. Well, I beg your pardon, walk the straight and narrow track. If you walk with Jesus, he'll save your soul. You gotta keep the devil down in the hole. He's got the fire and the fury at his command. Well, you don't have to worry if you hold on to Jesus' hand. You'll all be safe from Satan when the thunder rolls. You gotta keep the devil way down in the hole.
I want to in this video, you just put like a number.
Way down in the hole.
See that?
Way down in the hole. Way down in the hole. Way down in the hole.
Oh.
We got Blue Moss.